Welcome, and thank you so much for joining us for the Big Fix event. I'm Brian Clark. I'm a developer advocate here at Snyk, and I am super excited for you to be joining us for this event. One thing that you might be wondering is, how do you get started? Maybe you're new to Snyk. Maybe you're not familiar with the tools that Snyk offers. We're going to help you out. We got you covered. We have some educational videos made by our very own Michelle, who's going to help you get jump started into becoming acquainted with those things that are going to help you throughout the course of this event. So I'm going to hand it over to Michelle now.
Let's look at how to test your project from a supported source code management system. From the dashboard or the projects page, select Add Project. Select one of the integrations to get started. If your source code manager hasn't been connected yet, you'll select one and enable Snyk to access it first. Then you'll see a list of repositories. If you want to search for a specific repository, enter a few letters from the name of the repository and press Enter. Check the box next to the repository that you want to add to Snyk. You can clear the search and the repository is still selected. Check the box next to additional repositories to add more than one at a time. If you want to add a dependency from a non-default path, select the repository and add the path for the file location. If you want to exclude folders, specify the folder names here, separated with commas. Now click Add Selected Repositories. When Snyk completes the import, you'll see a project on the Projects page for each repository you added. Let's look at fixing vulnerabilities for open source issues. Snyk displays a card for each issue with details about where the issue was introduced and the most efficient upgrade to remediate it. To get started, select Fix this vulnerability from the issue card. Depending on which source code manager you're using, you'll see the OpenIFix pull request page or the OpenIFix merge request page. Notice that all the possible upgrades found for this project are listed, but only the one we started from is selected. Select the button at the bottom of the page. The Snyk bot creates a pull or merge request and opens it in your source code manager. If you look at the files changed in the request, you'll see the change matches the advice Snyk offered for this issue. Snyk also helps you fix more than one issue at a time. Here on the Issues tab for the project, select the Fix These Vulnerabilities button at the top of the page. Now all the issues with fixes or patches are checked. Notice that the top of the list includes issues in the project that do have an upgrade available. Snyk provides a warning for any upgrade that requires a more significant version change in the upgrade, so you can evaluate the risk to your application. Uncheck the boxes for any upgrades that you don't want to include in the fix. Scroll down to see that some issues may only have a partial fix. At the bottom, issues without an upgrade or patch available at this time are listed for your information. There's another way to look at remediation advice. On the Projects page, open the Remediation tab. Now you can see a list of the upgradable issues and a list of the patchable issues. Click the OpenIFix button at the top to open the same page, where you can deselect issues as needed and select the button at the bottom. And just as with a single issue, the changes match the advice Snyk provided for those issues.
Wow, that was super easy, and thank you so much, Michelle, for your help with that. If you found that super easy, I'm glad, but if you didn't, don't worry, we got you covered. There's a Discord server. Invite for that is available in your email, and you can join up there, find out, and get in contact with fellow Snyk and experts in the industry to help you get through any of the issues you might be running into. In addition to that, there's an email address that you can contact us at. It's thebigfix@snyk.io. Last, but certainly not least, the very last day of the event, February 25th, 2022, we're going to be doing a 24-hour live event. There's going to be multiple segments. It's global. Wherever you are in the world joining us, there should be a time frame that works within your schedule so you can tune in and have fun with us, engage as part of the audience, chat with us in the chat room, and participate in some of the activities that we're going to be doing. We hope to see you there. We hope you enjoy the fun that you're about to have as part of the Big Fix, and happy fixing.